Hello and welcome to this video on how to optimize the performance of your Windows 11 PC, whether you are a power user or just wanted a faster system. We will cover all the basic tips to get the most out of your device, and we will show you how to fast and how to optimize your Windows 11 environment. So let's move to the Windows 11 machine. Right now we are connected with our Windows 11 Azure VM, and first things first, that if you wanted to optimize your Windows speed, like your task has been running slow, so you need to disable some unnecessary apps that may start once you start your Windows. So what happens that some of the application get installed, and by default they start working as soon as you open machine and Windows operating system boots. So we are going to disable these apps from starting once the OS boots. So let's right click to the start menu and open the task manager on Windows 11, and here have a look at how it has been changed and customized and new way of see the taskbar, and things are pretty much change here. Like in the previous Windows 10 environment, you see different tabs on the top, but right now it's available on the left. So if you wanted to select the performance or the processes, you have the list on the left, and you can click here to see the whole detail. Like if you are unable to guess that which specific tab is this, because you're not familiar with the icon or the symbol that is mentioned here, so all you need to do is click on the open navigation, and here you will find out that which symbol is related to which tab. So right now we are going to disable some startup apps that is impacting our system performance, and these apps starts whenever OS boots. So here you can see there are a lot of apps that are currently disabled. So let's say your WhatsApp is enabled and it starts whenever your Windows boots, so it definitely impact the performance. In the same way, the OneDrive, that is unnecessary thing, you can disable it, or the Microsoft Edge. Then you have only Security Health 3, that is the background app that needs to be run. We're not going to disable it, but rest of the other apps and application you can see which you can disable that may directly impact of your system performance. So it does what? So by disabling it, we are speed up your boot time by disabling these unnecessary startup apps. And here you can see you can enable it as well. So let's say you have disabled the WhatsApp and you want to enable the WhatsApp while you boot your Windows OS, or you want it to start during or once your Windows is started. So you can right click to enable any application from here like that. So in this way you can manage these startup apps. Then we need to just work on the visuals, because when you have this sort of graphics that is available and provided in Windows 11 environment, that is definitely impacting your memory, your processor, and that may be sometime if your machine is the under specs of Windows 11, so it may slow down your processes and your task. So because Windows 11 offers great visual effects, but they can also slow down your system. So to adjust these settings, go to the search bar here, and you should type View, Advanced System Settings. Let me make it more clear to you. So you just have to type View in the search bar, and you will start seeing the best match, which is the Windows Advanced System Settings. So click to open it, and it's gonna navigate you here. Now here you have several tabs like Hardware, Advanced, System Protection, Remote, but right now we are focusing on the performance. So we will go to the performance, And here we can click to the settings, and there you can see that there is a separate visual effect section here, and you can disable any of the animate controls or peaks or fade or slide menus that is impacting your system performance, and you can directly select the best option. And there are two types of option according to adjustment, but the default one is what? Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. So it choose according to your specification, your RAM, your hardware. It took decision on that ground. But if you wanted to go for the best appearance, you can select this one, and it gonna enable all the animation, all the slide and fade and everything that Windows 11 offers in terms of GUI. But if you wanted to focus on the best performance, you can click to select, and it will disable all these graphics and these visuals and these animate things, and the slidings and fade things all will be disabled, and your machine will totally focus on the best performance. So this is the way you can directly switch off all these visuals, or you can deselect one by one from here as well. And for that you need to go to the custom. You can keep enable some of it that may you require and you like it and not impacting the system performance, or rest of the options you can disable from here. But let's say this time we will go for the best performance and click to apply and then OK. So you're gonna find that some of these presentation and graphics and visual effects will be minimized and eliminated from your Windows 11 experience. Then click OK. Now let's manage the power settings, because here we are going to configure the power setting for optimal performance. So head to the control panel from here, and on the control panel we're going to search the power option, which is there. And on the power option you can see if it's set to balance, so definitely it will be make automatic balance between the performance or with the energy consumption on capable hardware. But if you want the best performance and there is no problem for the energy, and you want to go for the quickest process, and your processor will be utilized fully at its height, so you can go for the high performance, and it is already selected because we have set the option adjust for the best performance. That's why high performance option has already selected here. So if it's not selected, you can customize and manage here. Now let's talk about some background apps, because some apps run in the background consuming valuable resources. So to disable these, we need to go to the settings. So let's scroll down and right click to the start, and here click to the settings. And we have been here in the previous other videos as well. Then click to the apps, and here you can see different apps, the install app for websites and default apps. Then we are going to click to the install apps, and here you will start seeing the list of apps, and some of these apps started and work on the background, so you can disable it, you can manage it. And here some apps where you will find the modify option that will change the behavior of this app. So let's say you wanted to disable this Microsoft Clipchamp that you don't want to run on the background. So click to the advanced option, and once you come here you will start seeing some specification and the version detail and the data. Then the background app permission. So let's this app run in background. So if you set it to never, this app will not run on the background, and that will definitely impact your system performance. It must be improved because you have disabled some of the apps. So let's say, for example, let's disable another app, news, and this app mostly runs on the background, so you can disable. And how you can achieve that, you need to come to the background app permission, and let's run this app in the background. You can set it to the never, because it is already set to power optimize, so it took the decision according to the power. And definitely when any app is consuming the power, that definitely impacting the performance. The power is being divided and distributed, so if you set it to never, the power will be saved from getting to this app, and that will be kept aside for the performance and for the boost performance you want. So in this way you can disable background apps in Windows 11. Then you need to know that this cleanup is an easy way to free up space and enhance performance. So you can clean up your disk. That will definitely delete some unnecessary files that are taking some memory in your hard drive. So all you need to do is to right click to your primary drive and go to the properties. Then here you can see the details are there, and it shows you that which app and which folder has taken the too much space on the drive. Then come back, because we need to initiate what? The disk cleanup process. And here's the tool. You can check errors. Here's the hardware, sharing, security tools, because it is what it is, the Azure VM. So we are not allowed to run the disk cleanup tool here, but you may find this option in your own PCs, in your own Windows 11 environment. That definitely appears here, and you can easily run the disk cleanup on your hard drive to delete some unnecessary or temporary files that are taking some space and impacting your hard drive storage. Then this is one of the method. Then always make sure that your Windows 11 is up to date, because update often include performance improvements and bug fixes. So you need to do what? You need to right click here and go to the settings, and here you have update in security or the Windows update. You can directly jump to the Windows update section, and you need to make sure that you are running the latest Windows 11 version, because right now you can see a lot of updates are pending, as this is our Azure VM, not our actual machine. So you can click to install this specific update from here, or you can click install all, and it will download and install all the updates that needs to be downloaded to make this updated version of Windows 11. Then lastly, uninstall programs that you no longer use. So this will help you to save some storage, and the system performance will definitely be optimized while deleting these files and deleting these programs. So again, you need to go to the settings, and here click to the app, and on the install app section you have all the apps and software available, and you can see and figure out that which app you mostly use and which is not, and you can select that app that is no longer in use and just taking some space on your hard drive, and install from here right away. Well, by following these steps, you'll notice a significant improvement in your system speed and efficiency. So thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Windows 11 experience.